Today is like the worst day of my life. I have sold the only thing I own twice to the same bidder. Today there will be a fresh start and flowers all the way. You will write all your dreams on a priceless charm. I will dance the night away, and I love to see you go. I have done all I could to love you. I displayed my hands and smiled, but I hate every inch and bit of you. In my distress, it's my final line, 'cause I think of myself as the song and dance kind of a person, and everything I do or say will be interpreted as treason. Well, darling, and I fell far from your tree. We don't usually waste our words, we just love to see you go. I have done all I could to love you. I displayed my hands and smiled, but I hate every inch and bit of you. In my distress, it's my final line. Understand the kind of legend she's from. Her mother used to say she cut the stone where the knife hurt the most, and inhaled diamond, carbon powder. And the day fell on her like the armor on her knees when her knight was brought back to his shroud. Oh, she loved to see you go. I have done all I could to love you. I displayed my hands and smiled, but I hate every inch and bit of you. In my distress, it's my final line. Now the ground, it is firm before our feet are shadows. They don't shock, but the clicking of our bones and our telltale hearts is just tender. It's kind of sweet. And whenever we'll hear it It's only skin deep, and we love to see you go. I have done all I could to love you. I displayed my hands and smiled, but I hate every inch and bit of you. In my distress, it's my final line. See